Enchanté.
How can you really get people listening when you're speaking? Is there a secret? Well, yes, there is. The power of your voice is the biggest secret to entertaining people when you speak with them. So there are 4 things I want to remind you of today that we have solid research on relating to your voice and how it can really keep your listener listening. First, you need to avoid monotone. Second, make sure you change your pitch and melody a bit, but not too much. If you have too much change, it will distract from your message. The next tip is to use good resonance. I want you to have a listen to this example. Compare, can we talk about our sales figures? With, can we talk about our sales figures? The second example had amazing resonance, where the first, my voice was stuck in fry, which makes people tune out. The last strategy that's quick for you to apply immediately is to sit straight. Just sit up straight. It gets your air flowing better, and as a result, you create a good sound. Simple strategies, not too hard to understand, right? But implementing, well, sometimes voices need a little help along the way. Remember, if you're a boring speaker, you will lose your listener, and your voice is an amazing tool to add extra special sparkle to your message so that it gets listened to. In the comments below, let me know one thing that you love about your voice. And if you're not sure, it's probably time to take stock so you can use your voice to your advantage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Ciao!
Enchanté.